So, thinking of studying abroad, um, let us try and look beyond nursing because it's like almost everybody wants to, you know, study nursing. And I just feel like there are other courses that we can, do to keep us where we've gone to study, like gain experiences. Now, when many people migrate to, the UK, the US, or Canada as international students, the spotlight is usually on nursing or becoming a doctor. But the truth is, the healthcare sector is full of amazing, well, paid, less stressful careers that can secure your future and give you a clear pathway to stay after your studies. I know as someone that, came from Nigeria, mostly we all know nursing and being a doctor. There are other courses, like let's just put nursing aside, put public health aside, stop studying public health and the traditional doctor route, for a moment. Now, here are alternatives, healthcare careers that are in high demand and offer great work life balance and don't put you in intense pressure of the typical, toxic nursing medicine environment. Now let's look at radiographer. You know, you're working with X-rays, CT scan, MRIs, and other imaging equipments. Highly skilled, respected, and in shortage across many countries. Now, number two, we're looking at sonographer. You specialize in ultrasound, imaging, flexible roles, great pay, and a career that is always in demand, of course, because people are always giving birth, people are always pregnant. You're always checking something in the tummy, here and there. Now let's look at physiotherapists. You're helping people to recover movement, mobility, rewarding hands-on and a profession with global shortage. You know, we don't always pray for people to break their bones, but there are always opportunities that you find people in that situation where you have to need a physiotherapist to fix whatever is going on. And then we look at occupational therapists. They support people in, regaining independence in their daily lives. Eh, these people, they work with companies. So it's either they're there for staff or they're there for, clients, depending on, the type of job role or the type of work that your company is into. So we've looked at five, and there are still many more, but let's just keep it at this. So with these careers, you will find that they are chilled, fulfilling, and financially rewarding. And I bet they will not be as toxic as, people complain about, nursing and being a doctor kind of role. And many international students, they say they don't even feel like they're working because they enjoy the show. At least people I've listened to. So universities in the UK, US, Canada, they actively recruit students for these programs and graduates, often qualify. So in case you're looking to gain experience in the healthcare sector, study something else, or you don't want to study nursing, you should look at these career paths. Probably it will help. All right. So I just thought I should make this video. And if you want something more like this was not planned, but if you want something like this, please you can just like and comment, and I'll bring you something like this in much more other sectors aside healthcare. All right. Till then, ciao, and keep tuned to my channel. All right. Bye bye.